Boeing, aviation giant. Epic crises. The 787 Dreamliner and 737 MAX. Big dreams, bigger drama. Let's break it down. 2004. Boeing unveils the 787 Dreamliner, super efficient, lightweight, game changer. But outsourcing 70% of the build? Chaos. 3-year delays, costs balloon to $32 billion. Then, 2013, battery fires ground the fleet. Fixed it, but quality woes, fuselage gaps, bad parts, still haunt deliveries. 2011, 737 MAX races to beat Airbus. Bigger engines, new MCAS system, rushed and risky. 2018, Lion Air 610 crashes, 189 gone. 2019, Ethiopian 302, 157 lost. MCAS fails, planes grounded 20 months, $2.5 billion in fines, trust shattered. 2024, door blowout sparks new fears. What's up, Boeing? Cost-cutting lacks oversight, profit over safety. They're fixing it. Better designs, more checks. Can they soar again? Like and follow for more.